What is up, everybody? It's Sam, Hoops to Homes Coleman, and today I'm back in Los Altos. And I know you guys are probably tired of it, but listen, this community is fuego right now. And the reason being, large single-story properties in Las Vegas are scarce, especially in Summerlin. So this is a unique property because it has a bigger backyard. It's about just under 12,000 square foot lot, and it's one of the most popular floor plans in the entire Summerlin area when it comes to single stories, other than Richmond American's the Robert floor plan. This one, 3,111 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It gives you a formal dining room, and you have no neighbors behind you. You guys come in, check out this video. I'm starting from the inside out because it's a chilly day in Vegas right now and the wind's blowing, so I didn't want to distract you with the wind. But check this home out. Let me know what you guys think. The homeowners actually renovated this home, so it's a little bit different. They made renovations after the home was built. It's brand new, but it was renovated. But check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Add me on YouTube, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and all social media at Hoops to Homes, at Sam Coleman Jr. I'll see you guys on the next one. As you enter the home, what's really cool about this space is it's a formal dining room, but it could be used as a flex space. And in the kitchen space, what they did was they took the backsplash all the way to the ceiling above the cabinets. They added custom quartz countertops with a waterfall edge. You have the cooktop, single basin sink, new faucet, new lighting fixtures, and they staged the dining area as well. All right, guys, so that's it. 268 Tarragona Breeze, 3,115 square feet, 4 bed, 4.5 bath. The home is going live at $1,375,000. I'm sure this one won't last long because I always price my listings to sell. If you know somebody that's thinking about buying and selling here in Las Vegas or anywhere in the entire world, you call me first. Pick up the phone, call Hoops to Homes. Don't buy a new home without me.